Hey guys, welcome back to lesson 5 of our level designer series. This time we're going to look at how we can switch our game to a different scene after we've collected all the items. And let's begin. Right, the code is actually just right here already, but I'll go through this one more time with you guys on how to do this. So a few things when you're switching between different scenes is you'll notice that there's a star here on that will be on one of your different scenes, and that means that that's a starting level. So if you can mark different levels as your starting scene. So for me, this level designer demo is my starting scene. So what we'll need to do is we need to go to flow, and we'll need to grab an if. Okay. I prefer to use a greater than or equal to as opposed to just an equal to, just to make things a little bit safer for myself. Anyways, the choice is up to you, but both should work. We're going to go to game attributes, and we're going to get our present counter. And so you really just will need just one of these, but I'm just showing you that both of these types of code will work. And as you'll recall, we have 8 presents on our screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when he collects 8, we're going to switch the screen up. So if it's equal to 8, and of course the other one is, whoops, if it's greater than or equal to 8. Okay? So this is more encompassing of the game, but anyways, as I said, both of these will work. I'm going to try to use this one now. So if it's equal to 8, we're going to switch the game to a different scene. Now, you can go to scenes, and by default, there'll be an actors. And you'll want to go into game flow. And you can choose either this one or the one below it. Now, I prefer to use the one below it just because for my demo, it's a little bit easier. Okay, you need to make sure you put in a time for both of these parameters. So make sure there's a numerical value there, and make sure you select which scene you're switching it to. I'm going to go to my Player Designer Fun. Okay, so you got to put 2 values in here. You can set these different things out, spotlight, blinds, and okay, there's all sorts of fun things you can play with there. You can experiment with that using different colors. Okay, so you can throw that in, or I'm just going to keep it a bit simpler. Is I'm just going to use this one, switch the scene to Player Designer Fun. I'm just going to do, we'll do a slide left maybe. And that'll happen. I'm going to make that quite fast, 0.5 seconds. Okay, so let's test that out. Okay, so I've rewritten my code. And when it finishes reloading, we'll test it out. Okay, so I'm collecting my presents right now. Okay, whoa, that's pretty close. And 8, fantastic. And so now we can play this other level, I guess. Right, so that's it. See you guys in lesson 6.